I'm going to show you how to add frequently asked questions. So can you follow me? Add frequently asked question. So just copy all the question you have in the notepad and the answer, add to it. So that's just it. You copy it out, all your frequently asked question, then you put the answer. So this is the answer. Then you add. You add another, if you need another question, or if you have another question, you can just add it like this. As I'm doing it, just follow the instruction, that's all. So this is the answer. I add it. Very easy. Then you save and continue. After saving and continue, you have requirement, which is the gallery. So we need to add image. So here you need to add your gallery. You can add up to 3 images, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll add one. So we need to go to our download folder and import 712 480. So after uploading the image, then you can add document if you like. So you now I declare that this image material was created by myself or by my team and do not infringe on any third party. So you will make sure that you be the one that designed it by yourself, or you hire someone without using another person gig image. Hope you understand. So the next thing is to click save and continue. So save and continue, we will review your gig. Almost there. Then you publish it. So that's all. Then you wait for it to be published. This is the end of my tutorial. If you like this my video, make sure you click like and subscribe to my channel. God bless you.